Shut up!
Seth.
Okay, so all three of us, when we were young, you know, we just went to Billings. We were just chilling, you know. That day, we went to Walgreens. We walk in. I feel like stealing something.
Yeah, it just makes me want to steal some.
You walk in, it's so colorful. You see all the cards. You see all the green, blue, pink.
You don't even steal something.
Green, blue, pink.
You steal
Connor.
scrunchies that girls use.
We get it. We get it.
See all the shampoo colors. You just walk in, you're like, wow, this is a dream.
I want to
come
steal
true.
something. I mean, I just go in, I want to steal something.
I'm like 50 Cent in there. I'm like, give me the stuff.
We got our
Right
toy
there,
car.
man. You see that?
Okay, so and then you're in line. You're waiting to check out.
How's it
Guy
going,
in front of
Seth?
you, he's not even in line. He's just looking at all the tabloids. He's just
Doing his own thing.
So you like go back to 8th grade and try your little cutsies thing. Cutsies. You're just gonna try it one more time. You know, haven't remembered the arts for it in a while. So you cut him, and then like this is a huge line. Then 5 minutes later, he realizes you.
It's like your friend 50 Cent's up there, and it's like, let's go get with
And then
50
like
Cent.
he'll be like, I'm gonna kill you when you go out the door. And then like 10 years later, he'll be like a serial killer at your house.
Then I'll be like,
I told you.
Man, then I walk by the meat department. I see these juicy steaks. I mean, these
And it's
steaks
like
are
water-
juicy.
mouth watering. You know, you're sitting there, your drool is like,
Oh my God! I mean,
it's a dream come true.
Yeah, steak, good.
Steak, and then the next day, I go into the mall, and I walk by Victoria's Secret. Forget it.
it's like, oh my gosh, what is Victoria's Secret?
It's a secret, man.
Secret. Victoria's. It's like
Victoria. Secret.
It's everywhere. I'm like, oh my God, what is that?
Yeah.
What is that?
And then we go down to Shields. It's like, that's the way we got it.
That's the way.
That's how we roll. You want to go to someplace like Fuddruckers? I know half of you haven't been here, but so you're in the ketchup line. And you're just gonna get like a bunch of ketchup packets. There's this old guy there. It's like excuse me,
Subway.
and he's on his phone or talking to some other guy. It's like, hang on, just wait a second, pal. It's like,
Man, get out of the line.
you did it, and then everyone knows like the war has begun. Like the lady he's talking to is like, I'm gonna call you back. Yeah, and even like this little baby's like, it's on. It's on. Yeah, and then I just decided to give him like a little comeback and be like, no problem, buddy.
No problem, buddy. It's gone. It's
And then he's
gone.
like, and then after that, he's like, all right, chief. And then I decided to finish it off with the, all right, Gaylord.
And I ditched these two, and I'm heading down to
Victoria's Secret.
I walk past Victoria's Secret again. I'm like, I'm looking in there, and I see her.
Victoria.
What's wrong with that? Victoria and Victoria's Secret.
Then I see it, I'm like,
She owns it.
so,
You guys got 1 minute.
1 minute finish my story.
Okay, and then we checked out after we stole everything, and we were all happy.
And then I went to GameStop, and I got Madden 08. I got a portable controller. You know, portable, no cords. Portable.
Okay, guys, say Natural History Days on 3.
Okay.
1,